Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to place an order online as a reseller. The first step would be to select the style you would like. We offer 6 different styles, and I'll be choosing our display mailer style for this example. On this page, you'll be able to select your print options. You can choose both inside and outside print, outside only print, or inside only print. Please note that we only offer the option to print on the inside of our display mailer style. Then you can select the size. I'll choose our 12 by 10 by 4. After that, you can adjust the quantity by moving the slider manually or typing in the quantity you would like. We produce by the dozen, so you'll have to select a multiple of 12. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the price. This price is retail price by default, but if you're logged into an account that is registered as a distributor, you'll see accurate discounted pricing. If you're unsure if your account is marked properly, please just contact us and we'll help you out right away. You can then estimate the cost of shipping. Click Estimate Shipping and enter your postal code. Then click Get Quote. Here you see our 3 shipping options, economy being the slowest and rush being the fastest. You'll see arrival dates listed here along with prices. Once you have reviewed this information, you can go ahead and get started on the artwork. We have 2 options for creating artwork. You can design online using our editing tool, which we have pre-made designs and tutorials available for helping you, or you can design offline in a program such as Adobe Illustrator with our downloadable template. For this, you click Download Template and then follow our artwork guidelines to ensure your work is properly set up for us, and then you click Upload File. From here, you'll be brought to our 2D editing tool, where you can click Upload Images, and then upload your files. I'll be uploading inside and outside files since I'm doing a 2-sided print box. You can hover over the outside file and then click the plus symbol to apply it to the outside of the box. You'll see that there is a line surrounding the edges of the box. This is the bleed line, and you'll want the artwork to extend past this bleed line to ensure that there are no issues during print. We have a 1/8 inch margin of print, so that way as long as your artwork is beyond this line, there will be no gaps in your print, and your print will cover the entire box. Then you can click Inside at the top of the screen, and then upload the inside artwork just as you did the outside. Then on the right side of the screen, you will see a 3D model of your artwork. You can click and drag to move around, and you can also close and open the lid as you please. Once you've reviewed your artwork, you can click Continue in the top right of the screen to continue to checkout. At this page, you will approve of your design and make any final adjustments to your quantity or print options, and then click Add to Cart. Here you will see all the items in your cart, and once you've reviewed them, you can click Proceed to Checkout. Here you will enter your shipping address and your billing address. On the next page, you'll choose your shipping options, which are the same options you saw earlier using the Estimate Shipping feature. And then you can click Payment Info to continue to the payment page. Here you can choose to pay online with a credit card or PayPal, or you can pay by invoice. If payment by invoice is selected, we will send an invoice within 24 hours, and then once the invoice is paid, we will review the artwork for any major artwork errors that are apparent. If anything comes up in the artwork check, we will contact you and put the order on hold until the artwork is updated. This may change the listed arrival date for shipping depending on when the update is made to the artwork. If you wish to ship using a third-party account, please submit the order as a purchase order to orders@boxup.com. Thanks so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.